Okay guys, check it out lah. The new bike to the Zero Bros channel. I call him Bobby Bronto. This is a manufacturer from Qooder. This is QV4. As I go around the bike, you can see it's a four-wheeler. An interesting concept, which caused me to buy the bike lah, because it seems rather different from all the other bikes. Just doing a walk around to show you the bike a bit. Already did a few modifications myself. You can see the front end, of course, changed the layout with the quad lock, and of course changed the IU unit holder, and of course it's a big bike. Decided to install a 100-liter box, which I imported from China. Just got a bike some more from the left side. Mostly stock, except for the handguards, and there's this wind protector at the side. But other than that, it's pretty much stock. So it's currently still daytime. Going to wait till it's after dark, where the traffic is clear, and then I will show you the ride on this QV4 Qooder. So I'll just wait a bit and continue on when I am on the helmet cam. Okay lah, let's take the Qooder for a ride. Show you a bit about the bike. Talk to you about the Qooder itself. Let me just set up my phone and show you the startup, man. Okay, see, it's pretty, even for myself, as my height's about 1.8, I guess. I have to sit quite in front to be able to touch the floor. Then time to put on the launch key. Okay, there's one thing, of course, your handbrake, which is at the right side. You can't pull it down unless you use the key, and just have to push it down. Mine, you see, a little bit not flush, so I've got to push it down all the way. If not, the sensor will trigger. Let me just show you. See, it doesn't go all the way down. And then when I switch it on, you can see there's two warning lights. This one is for the handbrake, so if I push it a little bit more down, it goes off. It's just a warning light. Seems my battery voltage is so low already. Left side, got my maintenance, and of course this engine check light, which when you switch on should go away, but it seems sometimes when I ride it still is on. Okay, now to start the bike, of course like scooter style, hold on to any of the brakes. It should start up. You can see the dashboard of all the different things. You can see the petrol, temperature, time, which is at 1:35 AM, which later I'll talk to you about, and whatever else. Got your lightings, you can see the high and low beam, and that one more warning is to do with the tilt lock, which when you pull up, alright, now your bike can start tilting. Okay, let me just ride out of here. Just need to be careful because now it's much more wider and there's two wheels now. So if you are coming out and there are curbs and stuff, careful. Okay. You just get out of this car park, and then after that I'll talk to you more about the bike itself when we hit the highway lah. Okay, before we hit the highway, you can see such an interesting bike, man. 4 wheels, and of course, you'll be wondering when you come to a stop, the tilt lock will activate only when you hold on to the brakes. You can see on the left side. The left side is all 4 brakes, so technically you don't have to put your leg down, but it's quite sketchy because if you are not used, you can see I'm not putting my leg down, but if I let go the brakes, your tilt will start, you know. So it's actually a good practice to put your leg down if you are not used to it. How to move off actually, right? And if you don't want to put your leg down all the way, it's actually just to hold the brakes, and then after that you just throttle, the bike will start moving. Then you slowly release the brakes, then the tilt lock will deactivate. Okay, let's get this turn in. Just need to be careful. Being a 4-wheel bike and you're not used to it, you tend to oversteer lah, so you'll be pushed out quite a bit when you're making turns. Then you can see this fella cannot give way one. Aiyo. Just when you start video, no, you think he very fast. Never mind. Let's continue on. So, Qooder itself, you can see riding expressway speeds pretty good, very stable as compared to my other bikes. Of course, not as compared to the Hayabusa Rex. That one, of course, super stable, man. High speed also, no problem. But for a scooter 400cc category, this one, it's pretty stable. Don't expect to go like really very fast speeds for this bike. I think this one around 120 km per hour, about the max of it. So if you're interested in this kind of bikes, actually it's a unique one lah. Because anyway, it's like 4 wheels, stability and stuff. The width of the bike though, when the first day I collected the bike, was a bit sketchy lah. And you try to navigate through the what you call that, all the try to lane filter. Just on the first day when I collected the bike, I was encountered with a traffic jam. So what I found is, of course, if you are pretty short and you can't put your leg down, can be quite tricky lah. Because the tilt lock only activates when you hold on to the brakes, so you don't expect to be holding on to the brakes all the way when you are navigating through. If you want to, can lah, but of course your brake pad will be gone lah, right? You know, this one, the tilt lock maybe is more for the start and stop. Okay, but slow speed still got some balance. Actually can still balance. I even sometimes stop at traffic lights, right? I didn't even put down the leg also. Then technically you can just balance the bike. About this bike itself, okay, managed to get it from a shop. The sales guy quite nice lah. He told me a lot of the bike and stuff. Of course, for the bike itself, I will do a separate video lah to show you the functions and all. That one is now I just show you a rough one now of the startup on how the bike is for you when you start up the bike. But all the functions, and maybe I will show you like compartment space and stuff on another video. So like I said, when this type highway speed all okay, that's why I decided to do like this timing 1:45 AM now, where it's clear road and I can relax and ride. And then relax and ride also, you can see lah just now people cannot wait, you know, must just cut me even though I'm in front of them. So for this bike, actually the pickup actually quite good now. So you need to accelerate, no problem one. It's just that the disadvantage of this, if you're going like long trips or what, Just need to relax and ride lah. No need to go high speed. You go like maybe up north towards Malaysia, Thailand, all this. Just cruise, relax and cruise. But when it comes to start and stop, no problem. You can see from the bike itself, the engine check light still on lah. Sometimes on, sometimes off. So far the bike all runs okay. I don't know whether it's a normal thing for this. Tomorrow actually I'm going down to the workshop. Maybe I can show you the video for that one also, and do the maintenance and then check out what's wrong with this engine check light. I said so far the bike runs okay. I don't encounter any issues, so shouldn't be a problem. Maybe just need to reset or something lah. Well, for this camera setup, currently this one is a new one, so since this one is first motovlog for the season and showing you the new bike also in the channel. Of course, I have the DJI Osmo Action 4, which I used on the previous KL trip for test. We just cut this guy going quite slow. You see the pickup, quite good. Because just watch your speed lah, you know. I said the max out also not that high, so don't need to worry so much about the speed. So like I said, I'm running the DJI Action 4. Now this time, microphone setup is with the DJI Mic 2, the new one. So currently actually I'm running a wireless setup this time. So it'll be quite interesting to hear, because actually I haven't even tested lah. This one is the first test for the helmet setup with camera. So of course when I go back I will check it out and see, hopefully it goes well lah, because sometimes as you can see from my touring videos, wireless setup sometimes you never switch on or what, then gone your audio. But the helmet itself is right, the top is slightly above the visor, so can see the indicator for the microphone. So I said, Qooder, Bobby, Spike. Of course I said, this one the naming scheme, all got weird name for my bikes. So Bobby itself, tomorrow we're going to send for servicing, and maybe we will do some trips lah with the bike. Show you the acceleration a bit. No problem. Let's cut through. Definitely will find this interesting lah, to bring up north towards Malaysia, do a few test runs of it. Maintenance wise, tomorrow I will go and check it out. This indicator is of course for the 20,000 kilometers. I'm not too sure whether it's 20,000. When it hit 20,000, then only this indicator came out. So I'll see lah what maintenance needs to be done for the bike itself. Probably like oil change and brakes, which I did check out. This one, all the additional things, all is I set up one lah. This one is Quadro with charger, you know, with this switch. You can see, hopefully it works. Okay, take some time lah. Then can charge the phone lah. This time even my phone setup also different already, which I will share with you all in another video. Alright, so anyway, battery still okay lah, and can switch off now. Alright, so of course I can show you a bit of the setup of the bike in a showcase video, and of course at the next one I will show you the ride to the workshop, and then we'll talk about the maintenance and of course the walk around lah of the bike. Like I said, it's Qooder, interesting bike, chill out, relax. And then of course you will
get a lot of people checking out your bike lah, because it's a four-wheeler. Not everybody will buy this kind of bike. I also bought also just for fun. Just see how it is. We ride all sorts of different bikes, but even all the adventure bikes, sport bike, touring bikes, even three-wheel bikes. But four-wheel bikes, only this bike. As compared to ATVs and stuff. But this is the only one where it's legal on the road. Okay, so as you can see, riding at night, damn chill, can relax and show you and can explain to you a lot about the bike. Hopefully the video will come out okay for the first one. Worried about wind noise and stuff, but the DJI mic, I put on the windsock lah, so it should mitigate some of the wind noise. So anyway, that's a quick sharing session for the bike itself. Since the MCE tunnel is closed, so I'm gonna exit here. Definitely just check out the channel lah. I'll share you more about the Qooder and of course the other bikes. Of course the old bikes and stuff where haven't been seen in the channel for quite some time. Doing some videos on that one also. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Tune in to catch more videos on Zero's channel. More on the Qooder and of course the other bikes itself, tourings, motovlogs and stuff. Alright, so until then, I see you guys. X0 out. Taking some corners. Direct to Marina Coastal Drive, man. Yeah, going one round now.